Welcome to channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Imagine this. You're scrolling through your Facebook feed. You see pictures of friends, news articles, and funny videos. Life seems normal, but behind the scenes, a hacker is working. They're trying to get into your account. Facebook hacking happens every day. It's a big problem. Hackers want your personal information. They want to spread misinformation. They might even want to steal your money. I've seen it all. I used to be a hacker myself. I know how these guys think. They look for the easiest way in, and sadly, many people leave their Facebook accounts vulnerable. That's why I'm writing this. I'm here to show you the methods hackers use. More importantly, I'm going to tell you how to protect yourself. First, always use strong, unique passwords for your accounts. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or simple sequences. Enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification. Regularly update your privacy settings. Make sure you know who can see your posts and personal information. Be cautious about clicking on links, especially from unknown sources. Phishing scams are a common way hackers gain access to accounts. Keep your software up to date and consider using antivirus programs. These can help protect your devices from malware and other threats. Stay informed about the latest cybersecurity threats and best practices. Knowledge is your best defense. By taking these steps, you can make it much harder for hackers to access your Facebook account and personal information. Remember, your online security is in your hands. Take action today to protect yourself. Stay safe, stay secure, and keep your digital life protected. Let's talk about phishing. Phishing is a deceptive attempt by cybercriminals to steal your personal information by pretending to be a trustworthy entity. It's a tactic that has been around for years, but it continues to evolve and become more sophisticated. It's one of the most common ways hackers get into Facebook accounts. These cybercriminals are constantly coming up with new ways to trick you into giving up your login credentials. Here's how it works. You get an email. It looks official. The email is designed to mimic a legitimate message from Facebook or another trusted source. It might even have the Facebook logo. The email will often use the same colors, fonts, and logos to make it look authentic. The email says there's a problem with your account. This is a common tactic to create a sense of urgency and make you act quickly without thinking. Maybe you need to reset your password. The email might claim that your account has been compromised and that you need to take immediate action. Or maybe there's been suspicious activity. It might say that someone has tried to log into your account from an unknown location. There's a link in the email. Don't click it. This is the trap. The link will take you to a fake website that looks just like the real Facebook login page. The link takes you to a fake website. These fake websites are designed to capture your login information. It looks just like the real Facebook login page, but it's not. The fake page is a perfect replica, designed to fool you into entering your username and password. If you enter your login information on this fake page, you're giving it directly to the hacker. They can then use your credentials to access your account and steal your personal information. They now have the keys to your kingdom. With your login information, they can take over your account, change your password, and lock you out. Remember, Facebook will never ask for your password in an email. Always be cautious of any email that asks for your personal information. If you get an email that seems fishy, go directly to the Facebook website. Type the URL into your browser yourself to ensure you're on the legitimate site. Don't click on any links in the email. Instead, report the email to Facebook and delete it from your inbox. Stay vigilant and protect your personal information. Keyloggers are nasty pieces of software. They record every keystroke you make. That includes your passwords, credit card numbers, and everything else you type. Hackers can install keyloggers on your computer in a few ways. They might send you an infected file, or they might trick you into downloading a program that secretly installs a keylogger. Once the keylogger is on your system, it runs silently in the background. You'll never know it's there. Meanwhile, it's capturing everything you type. To protect yourself from keyloggers, use a good antivirus program. Keep your operating system and software updated, and be careful about what you download and install. Social engineering is all about manipulation. It's a psychological game where hackers exploit human emotions and behaviors to gain access to sensitive information. Hackers use social engineering to trick you into giving up your information. They craft emails that look legitimate, often mimicking trusted sources like your bank or a popular online service. They might call you on the phone, pretending to be a representative from a company you trust. They use persuasive language and urgent scenarios to make you act without thinking. They might send you a text message claiming there's an issue with your account that needs immediate attention. These messages often contain links that lead to fake websites designed to steal your information. They might even contact you through social media. These hackers are good at creating fake profiles that look real, complete with photos and posts that make them seem trustworthy. They know how to sound convincing. They use technical jargon and a confident tone to make you believe they are who they say they are. They might pretend to be from Facebook support, telling you there's a problem with your account that needs fixing immediately. They might say they need your information to help you with a problem. They often create a sense of urgency, making you feel like you need to act fast. Don't fall for it. Facebook will never call you and ask for your password. Legitimate companies will never ask for sensitive information over the phone or through email. If someone contacts you claiming to be from Facebook, hang up and call Facebook directly. Always verify the identity of the person contacting you by using official contact information. Remember, be wary of anyone asking for your personal information. Always question the legitimacy of unexpected requests for your data. If something feels off, trust your gut. It's better to be safe and verify than to fall victim to a scam. Stay vigilant and protect your personal information at all costs. Section 5. Weak passwords. An open invitation for hackers. Your password is your first line of defense. A weak password is like an unlocked door. It's easy for hackers to break in. Don't use common passwords like password123 or your birthday. These are the first things hackers will try. Instead, create a strong password that's at least 12 characters long. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. And don't use the same password for multiple accounts. If one of your accounts gets hacked, you don't want the hacker to have access to all of your accounts. Section 6. Two-factor authentication, double bolting your Facebook door. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to your account. Even if a hacker gets your password, they still can't get into your account without a special code. When you enable 2FA, Facebook will send you a code to your phone every time you log in from a new device. You'll need to enter this code along with your password. It's a simple step that can make a big difference. I highly recommend enabling 2FA on all of your important accounts. Section 7. Recognizing a hacked account, the warning signs. It's important to know the signs of a hacked account. If you notice any of these red flags, take action immediately. You see posts or messages that you didn't create. Your personal information has been changed, like your email address or password. You're getting friend requests from people you don't know. You're seeing suspicious login attempts. If you think your account has been hacked, don't panic. There are steps you can take to regain control. Section 8. What to do if your Facebook account gets hacked. If your account has been hacked, the first thing you should do is secure your other accounts. Change your passwords on any accounts that share the same password as your Facebook account. Next, report the hack to Facebook. Go to the Facebook Help Center and follow the instructions for reporting a hacked account. Facebook will help you regain access to your account. They may ask you to verify your identity. Once you're back in, change your password and enable two-factor authentication. Section 9. Beyond Facebook, protecting your digital life. The same principles apply to all of your online accounts. Use strong passwords. Enable two-factor authentication. Be wary of phishing scams. Keep your software updated. Use a good antivirus program. And be careful about what you click on and download. Your digital life is valuable. Protect it. Section 10. Stay vigilant, stay safe. Your digital life depends on it. The internet can be a dangerous place, but by being aware of the risks and taking precautions, you can protect yourself from hackers. Stay informed about the latest threats. Be cautious about what you share online, and remember that if something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Your online security is in your hands. Be proactive, be vigilant, stay safe.